So hey, what's up guys, SPMG here. Oneplus is planning to introduce its Hydrogen OS in alternate to China-bounded Oxygen OS. In simple, Oneplus is going to remove all Google Play services from its Oxygen OS, and they are going to introduce Hydrogen OS, which is similar to Oxygen OS but with anti-China and with all the Google Play services. According to GSM Arena, the new OS is going to come with new visuals, new functions and new features, and the company calls it brand new interactive concepts. Recently, PT Love, CEO of Oneplus, posted a tweet saying 11 on a display, hinting that new devices will come with always on display feature to its future devices with Android 11. As per the report, the OS will be ready for newer devices like OnePlus 80 and its series. That should be between September and October. The new devices are expected to get a enhanced 65 watts warp charging and with improved 120 watts charging in future. And the smartphone is rumored to feature 90 or 130 Hz AMOLED display in future with a monster display which is Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset. Since OnePlus 8 series and even OnePlus Nord supports 48 MP camera, so we can expect that the upcoming products like OnePlus 80 and its above lineup may have 64 MP camera integrated. It's fun fact time, guys. Do you know Firefox? Yes, the browser Firefox. Yeah, there is a misbelief that the name is Firefox, but in the logo, so many people believe that it's a fox. But the cute little creature you see on the logo of Firefox, it's not actually a fox. It's a cute little red panda, as you can see here. And follow and connect with us on Twitter and Instagram. I'll be more active on those platforms. Tell your opinion on comment section. And lastly, subscribe to our channel and make sure to drop a like and press the bell notification icon. Whenever I upload a video, it gets notified instantly. And lastly, peace.